Now let us derive the relation between E, G and K, that is three moduli of elasticity. First one is modulus of elasticity E, another one is shear modulus, and third one is bulk modulus of elasticity. Now we have already seen these two equations, that is E is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu and E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. So using these two equations, we can easily derive the relation between E, G and K. So from this second equation, that is E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu, 2G is in multiplication, it will come on this side as division. So 1 plus mu will be equal to E upon 2G. Transfer this 1 on this side, plus 1 on this side, it will become minus 1. So we'll get the value of mu as E upon 2G minus 1. Now this value of mu we can easily substitute in equation 1, that is this particular equation. So E will be equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. Now the value of mu is E upon 2G minus 1. So that you can substitute in place of this mu over here. Now multiply by this minus 2 inside the bracket. So minus 2 into E upon 2G minus 2 into minus 1, that multiplication is plus 2. So therefore E will be equal to 3K as it is, 1 minus, now this 2 and this 2 it will get cancelled off, so only E upon G will remain over here, plus 2. Now this 1 plus 2, that is 3, so it will be 3 minus E upon G inside the bracket, this 3K as it is. Now cross multiply by this G, so G will be cross multiplied to 3, so it is 3G minus E whole divided by G, so this G is the LCM. Now cross multiply by this G to this E, so it is EG 3K into bracket, only numerator will be there, that is 3G minus E. Now multiply by 3K inside the bracket, so 3K into 3G, 3 into 3, that is 9kg, minus 3K into E, that is minus 3Ke. Transfer this minus term on this side, it will become plus, so it is Eg plus 3Ke is equal to 9kg. Take E common from both these terms, so it is G plus 3K is equal to 9kg. So we can say that E will be equal to 9kg divided by, now this term is in multiplication, it will go on the other side as division. So E will be equal to 9kg divided by this bracketed term, that is G plus 3K. So this is the relation between E, G and